Next time, whenever I will count from 3 to 1 and tell everyone to open your eyes, you will see that your favorite actor is in front of you and you want to shake hand with him, you want to hug him, and you want autograph from that favorite actor. On the count of 3 to 1, your favorite actor will be in front of you. 3, 2 and 1. Open your eyes and watch your favorite actor. Very good. Who is he? Open your eyes and watch your favorite. Very good. Very excited. Give him autograph.
Crying.
Okay, now sit down, close your eyes, relax, sleep.